Hi guys! Napanood niyo na ba ang 3 best-selling specialty coatings ng Eternia? Ito ay ang Veneto, Riva, and Marza. Textured coating lahat sila na ginagamitan ng tools such as trowel, paintbrush, and roller. Bago pala mag-apply, kailangan natin muna ito lagyan ng latex primer. Merong latex primer ang Eternia or you may use any latex paint na available. Hindi lang basta-basta paint ang aming coatings. It's like a wall of art na rin sa wall mo. Let's recap. For Veneto, the standard tool to apply is by using a trowel. Venetian finish ang standard na look nito, pero pwede din kayo gumamit ng sponge or any tool na maisip mo. May pagka-metallic ang color nito and you can play around with the trowel strokes para magkaroon ng random design sa finish look. For Riva, we use paint roller naman. Sandblast finish naman ang standard look. It's like an old school style na anay finish kung familiar kayo dito. But with a twist. Dahil meron itong glittery effect na mas maganda pag natatamaan ng ilaw. Then ang Marza naman, paintbrush ang usual na ginagamit and ang look nito is Sahara finish. Marza is my feel of sand that gives texture. All of these products ay pwede ka pa mag-experiment ng application. With just a little bit of your imagination, ay pwede ka pa makagawa ng various accents that will give life to your home, office, and commercial space. And for the final touch, apply Fortress Nano Sealer for protection against molds and to have long-lasting colors. Marami kaming available colors na mapagpipilian na tiyak swak na swak sa projects ninyo. Ano pang hinihintay ninyo? Ito na ang bagong trend ngayon when it comes to wall painting. See ya!